Hello viewers, this is me from the Fix Netflix YouTube channel and today I will show you how to fix when TV has no picture, no sound but LED or red light is blinking. So before we start, please keep in touch with our channel by subscribing and like and share this video with your friends so they can take benefits from the channel. So let's start our first method. When the TV has no display but the LED light is lit from red light change to the blue or green color light, and that's mean the main board has sent out the startup signal to the PSU board. But the actual situation is we need to know the PSU board has output all the voltage correctly. So in that case, you still need to check in the PSU board secondary side output voltage is normal or stable or not. And if all voltage output normal and stable including the BL on and PS on, that means power supply on, signals appear, and that's mean the problem is in the main board. And make sure that's in the TV mode. If not sure, then you must also check their Ticon board too. Our second method is when the TV no display but their LED light is blinking non-stop, and so need to check their standby 5 volt is normal or not. If the 5 volt standby is normal and stable, also need to know the PS power supply on signal appears or not. If the power supply on signal not appears, and need to check the main board and their front panel PCB board. In this case, disconnected the front panel PCB from the main board and power on the TV again. If the TV can show the display normally, and that's mean the front panel PCB is something wrong happen and in it. And if after replace the front panel PCB is still same symptom, and then need to check the main board or replace it. Our third method is when the TV no display and no sound but LED light is blinking few times and then stop and continue to blink. This type of the LED blinking is showing the error code to the repairer. So regarding this type of the symptom, you need to refer to their service manual to find out what is the meaning of this error code. Lots of the LCD and LED TV, they have self-test system, and when an abnormally occurs in the TV, the self-test protection circuit will operate and reset the to standby mode. During this time, the defective block or board can be identified by the number of the blinking times of the power LED on in front of the TV. If the self-test system found that the CCFL lamps abnormal or disconnected, it will shut down the backlight system and then provide the error message or the error code to let the appear engineer easy to know what is wrong inside the TV. So their TV front power LED light will blink differently. For example, LED light blinking 1 times and then stop 2 seconds and continue to blinking 1 times to find out what is the meaning of this LED light blinking. So you need to refer their service manual, but not all the service manual will show their error chart. So you need to search the other nearest model service manual to the compare with. So here is the chart we provided to you for your understanding. So viewers, hopefully this video will help you to resolve the problems on your TV, and if any difficulties, please feel free to inform us by comments in below, and if you have any best idea, kindly share with us. If this video found helpful, please subscribe to the channel, like and share this video with your friends, and thank you very much for watching this video.